Hi, welcome to another video of Matthew's Awesome World. I'm Matthew and today we're going to be showing you how to rebuild a Zuru Smasher ball. But first of all, I want to introduce you to someone who will be helping me in this video. My mum. Say hi, Mum.
Hi.
Okay, before we start, my mum's going to explain what Zuru Smashers are.
Okay, so there's these balls that you can buy in packs and you take them home and you smash them and inside you get one of these little toys. Now I used to think they were fun, but then a little bit of a waste of plastic and a bit of a waste of money because then you couldn't do anything with them. But Matthew and I have discovered that it's not too difficult to rebuild them, and you can put the Smasher toys back inside, or you can put other things inside, or this Easter we decided we're going to fill ours with chocolate and include them in our Easter egg hunt. So this morning Matthew and I are going to show you how to rebuild them. First of all, Matthew, do you want to smash a couple so that we can see?
Okay, I'll smash one of these dino eggs and one of these ball eggs.
Wait there, let me move these out of the way.
Okay, and now let's smash.
The middle.
But this one I'm going to slam into the ground, like this. And here are some of the eggs inside. And now I'm going to do a smash with this one. Ta-da!
Okay, now what about the others? Do you want to show one of the examples of the original?
What do you mean?
The one with the toy in it. This is what they show, the one that comes originally.
This one comes with a smasher inside. And I'm going to show you it. But first of all, you can also open them by spinning. Okay, this is the smasher. I don't know its name, but pretty awesome, right?
Let's move out the way now. So to start with, we need our pieces of the smashers. Okay, and then we're going to need some sellotape, like this. And we'll need something that we can put inside. So we're
Like
going to use these mini eggs.
Or this smasher.
Oh, that's not on the picture. Or a smasher that you want to put back in there. Okay, Matthew, you're going to go first and I'll talk you through it?
Yeah, Mama.
Let's go.
Okay, so first of all, with this smasher, you'll need 4 kinds of bits. A base bit here, which basically looks like a bridge. These wide bits that have scratches on them, make sure that their name is facing up like normal.
Let me show. Okay.
And then these long bits. But another thing that you'll need is this pointy bit that looks like a mountain.
Brilliant.
Okay.
Let's move those other bits out of the way.
Okay, now then. Mum, can you pass me some tape? Okay, I'll just start at the base here. Oh, wait, I'll just move it into the center. Right there. Then attach this. Make sure the sellotapes hold it together. Okay, there's that. Now then. Okay, now I just need some eggs. Mum? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now then, just need it the right way, and done. That's how you combine a smasher egg from Zuru Dinos. Okay, now then, take the tape off, and that's how it is. Cool, right?
Let it go so you can see it. Okay, what should we do now then?
Okay, now my mum's going to show how you transform a red smasher into its ball form.
Okay, do you want to move that one?
I'll move
Right,
this away.
the red ones are slightly trickier because there are more pieces that are the same. So we need 4 of those.
And smashers with
And
the symbol.
2 that have the
logo
on them. Okay?
Mhm.
So again, a little bit of, oh, is that for me?
Yes.
Great,
there's your
tape for me. Okay, so let's get, oh Matthew, look, I accidentally got one with smashers on it. Let's get a plain one. Ah, plain one. Are these all plain? Yeah, let's check. Right, okay, that's good. So, plain one, put some tape on, get another plain one, attach it on that side, and then attach it on the other side. Okay. Awesome. So you can see that there. Just helps it stop it from falling apart. Just cradle it in your hand like that. And then, oh, you don't want that tape in the way. Then you put this one with the little logo the correct way up on that side. And then, oops, tricky doing it on that. Then on the other side. Okay, now Matthew, let me just check it's all right around. Right, Matthew, can you just pass me some mini eggs?
Okay, here's your mini eggs, Mama.
4, okay. 1, 2, 3. Definitely got clean hands for this one. 4. Now I do it, this is my technique, I slide it under. Can be a bit tricky, but in the past when I've tried other ways, it tends to fall apart. So let's slide that under and over there.
Keep going, Mama.
It's not going as well as it normally does. Oh, hang on.
Okay, keep going, Mama. You need a little bit of
I
confidence.
think you're better at this than I am, Matthew.
Oh, please, you're better than me. I stink at that.
Right, come on.
You are the best at
I
this.
think it's that I'm holding it too tightly.
May I?
Hey!
Oh!
Job done. Let me just show the tape. Okay, let's get the tape off.
Be careful, you don't want it to burst.
Don't want it to burst. I've done the stupid thing with the tape. There we go. Not many eggs in there. Right. That's good. Matthew, bring the other one back on. Okay, so here we go. Here's an egg, and here is a ball. Okay, I'm only going to make 2 more, Matthew, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so Matthew and I are going to have a go at making some more.
Smashers.
So Matthew, here's your sellotape.
Thank you, Mama.
Here are my bits. Put them in
Here are
the
my
corners of the
bits.
picture. Okay. Oh yes, that makes good sense. Okay, so I've got one knot here and one knot here, and Matthew's got these ones and these ones and these ones. Okay, should we go?
Yes.
Right, and let's go for it. Okay, so
I'll start out with this one.
bottom bit. Are you going to do it on the camera, Matthew? You can't do it on the
Okay.
camera. Let me come around here. That will help.
There.
Put one there. You're not on film, Matthew. No one can actually see you right now.
Okay, there's that.
So if you want some eggs past your way. Okay, so Smashballs got to be like around that side.
Okay.
And there we go.
There.
That side. Good so far. Put some eggs in. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going for the reef one a bit quicker.
Okay, this might be a little bit hard for me, but never mind.
Brilliantly.
Okay, there.
That one's not on. This one's in. Come on.
Okay.
Yay!
Mum, please can you pass me 5 eggs?
Okay, I'm ready for my last one now.
Okay.
Here we go. Take my bottom. And one on this side. Remember the first time we did this, Matthew? It took us hours. Remember?
No.
We did it with Grandma. And we watched a video on YouTube. And we could not get it sorted. And then we discovered
Okay, this might be a little hard.
the tape. The tape is the key to make making this work. Just stops it falling apart at a key moment. Oh, we've got to be careful there with the tape. It can get stuck in there. Check that it says Smashers the way around. So I don't think, Matthew, with the red ones, does it matter what way up it is?
As long as you don't have the Smashers at the base.
Yeah, so it doesn't matter where that piece is, but it doesn't matter which way up it goes. Whereas with the eggs, it's really important that you get the Smashers thing the right way up, because we've done it a couple of times, haven't we?
Mm-hmm.
Where 1, 2, 3. Done it a couple of times where it hasn't worked, and then we've realised.
Okay, there's my first egg.
Oh, can you put it back on the screen a bit more? I think I might be finishing up here, Matthew. Look at
But you still have some more.
that. Woo! Should I try another one? Have I got enough?
Yeah, you can even smash that one.
I think when you first smashed this, Matthew, you smashed it a bit hard. It's got a big dent in it, but that's okay.
It's okay.
Right, these are looking good. Now I've noticed with yours, Matthew, you do the side bit last, don't you? Oh no, I've done this wrong.
That way I'll have a bigger spot to put my eggs in. Whereas the others will be thinner.
Yay! Sorry for shouting on camera.
It's okay.
Right. Yay! There we go. That was 4 in probably maybe a minute each. Oh, and here's the one from earlier. Want me to do that one?
No,
Okay.
I'm gonna do all these by myself.
Okay. Got 5 eggs in. Oh, brilliant. Now, out of the 2 designs, which do you think is stronger?
I don't know, but I still have one more egg to go.
So you have 2 more.
No. Oh, yes. Okay. Drop and drop.
Tricky piece, you're doing really well, it's tricky. Do it the right way around.
Okay, there's that egg. That was the last egg. These are all the smash eggs. Pretty cool, right? Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See ya!